This is an algebra video about removing brackets. This can often be called expanding brackets. We know that brackets can be used to indicate multiplication, and that's exactly what we'll be doing. We'll be multiplying into the brackets. Have your copy and pencil to hand so that you can work these out along with me. Here's our first example. The instruction is to remove the brackets. The expression is 5 bracket a plus 5 and then close bracket. Like we said, brackets indicate multiplication. Whatever is directly in front of the bracket is multiplying into the bracket. So in this case, the term in front of the bracket is 5. So the term 5 must multiply by the a and by the plus 5 in the bracket. When I multiply 5 by a, I get 5a. When I multiply 5 by plus 5, I get plus 25. At this stage, I've done everything that I can with this expression. I've multiplied the 5 by the contents of the brackets, but I can't do any more. 5a and 25 are not like terms, so this is my final answer for this example. Here's example 2. This time the question says, expand 3 bracket 2a plus 4 close bracket. So again, the term on the outside, in this case 3, is going to multiply by each term inside the bracket. So 3 is going to multiply by 2a, and it's also going to multiply by 4. When I multiply 3 by 2a, I want to just multiply 3 by the coefficient 2, and that's going to give me 6a. And of course, 3 by plus 4 is plus 12. Again, this is as far as I can go. There's nothing more that I can do. I can't add 6a and plus 12 because they're not like terms, so 6a plus 12 is my answer. Here's my third example. Remove the brackets from 2 bracket 6x minus 1. Okay, so again, I want to take the 2 from the outside and multiply it by each term. Pause the video here, do this yourself, and then check and see if you're correct. So 2 by 6x, 2 by minus 1. I'm just drawing in the arrows to help you see what my plan is. At the beginning, when you're learning how to do this, feel free to draw the arrows in, but you don't have to keep doing it forever. In this case, 2 by 6x is 12x, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Just be careful, that should be a minus. Watch out with your signs. Here's another example. Expand 4 bracket 3a minus 2b. At this stage, you should recognize that when you see brackets, it means that you need to multiply. Again, pause the video at this stage and see if you can do this yourself. Okay, so 4 is going to multiply by 3a, which is going to give me 12a. And 4 is going to multiply by minus 2b to give me minus 8b. And this is my answer for example 4. Example 5 says expand 6 bracket 2x plus 3y minus z. Now, this time there's 3 terms inside in the bracket, but it's still the exact same approach. You might notice that the x has a coefficient of 2, the y has a coefficient of plus 3, and the z has no apparent coefficient, but if you like at this stage, you can put a 1 in there. So the coefficient of z is minus 1. Now I must multiply the 6 by each of the terms inside the bracket. This time, my solution should be 12x plus 18y minus 6z.